I get so many compliments on my teeth. Most people don't even know they're implants. And they're very affordable. My name is Pegi Puckett. I live in Williamson, Georgia, and I am retired from medical billing. I had crowns for about 40 years, and they were starting to break loose. You know, crowns don't last forever like implants. Well, the tooth underneath the crown is filed down, you know, to where the crown can be fit on, and that is what was failing. They were, you know, if I bite down on something hard or the wrong way, it would break. So they were coming loose. I was on vacation, in fact, and the one on this side was actually a bridge, and it broke loose, and I was like, oh no, and so I had to do what I could, you know, to keep it up in there, and then that's when I said, no, that's it, I'm gonna get implants. I did not want dentures because I didn't want anything that I had to take out and have no teeth. You know, it's not very attractive to have no teeth. I always wanted dental implants. So I did some research, and I talked to my sister-in-law that had been in the dentistry business for 50 years. And she recommended a doctor, but he recommended Paul.
So met Pegi a couple years ago. She's referred to us from Dr. Glover, who's a prosthodontist here in Peachtree City. And she was not happy with some crown and bridge that had gone bad. Her back teeth had kind of failed, and she was looking for a more permanent solution.
Meeting Pegi for the first time, we just had an instant connection. I knew that she wanted to restore her smile, and we just kind of looked at different solutions, and we both felt like the All-On-4 would probably be the best solution. Pegi's biggest concern is she just wanted her teeth to look pretty, make them beautiful when she smiled, and be able to eat and function with them. So gave her the All-On-4 plan, and she went with it.
Meeting Jennifer is so awesome. She's such a caring person, and if you have any questions, she's got the answer.
So yeah, we talked to Pegi about how this would go, how the procedure laid out, how that day would be from a surgical standpoint, and what the final process would be between myself and then Dr. Glover, and she was gung-ho and ready to go at that point.
Well, we sat down and we discussed what it would be, all those steps that they would be taking with me, and they walked me through it all the way, and told me the cost, and I was amazed how reasonable it was. And I said, okay, let's set it up. Was I afraid? Not at all. I was so anxious and so excited about it. And my husband was so supportive, so supportive. He was like, baby, that's what you want to do, let's go do it. When I came in for my surgery, of course, I was put under for the extractions, but everything was fine. When I first looked in the mirror, what did I think? Oh, it was awesome. I was like, oh, I love them, I love them, I love them.
Once she got her final, she was ecstatic about it, and so were we. It's easy to work with somebody who's as happy and as appreciative as Pegi is.
You can eat anything you want with no problem. Because, you know, they're screwed in. They are secure. They're not going nowhere. I'm a very confident woman anyway, but, these just are like the icing on the cake.
It's really great to see Pegi when she comes in for her follow-up appointments, because I feel like we catch up. It's just kind of like seeing a family member.
If you are considering implants, definitely come see Dr. Anderson at Peachtree Oral and Facial.